How to fix Windows won't let you make administrative level changes. 1. Sign in with your real administrator account. 2. Set 0 to no toast application notification at computer /HKey_current_software /software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/current version / push notifications in registry. Restart your computer. 3. 3.1 Enable the allow telemetry policy at computer configuration /administrative templates /windows components /data collection and preview builds in group policy editor, edit.msc. Expand the drop-down under options and choose full. Now, select not configured. 3.2 Disable. The turn off toast notification setting at user configuration /administrative templates /start menu and taskbar /notifications. 4. Delete affected setting at computer /HKey_local_machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows /app privacy in registry editor. Restart your computer.